Eliot Dänzer, he's currently sitting in 3rd place overall. He's also from Switzerland. And he looks like he is ready to put one down. Hailing from the Alps, I'm sure he's used to this kind of terrain, and you can tell by the confidence in his riding style right now. Air right off the top, handled it, going really fast. He's really handling this super well, shutting it down, arcing some turns here, making it look like fun.
Ooh, you can see that there's still some chunks under that snow there. Managing that well, though. Now he's into the deep pow. I bet that feels really good after coming off the slide debris.
Yeah, definitely. He's really handling this terrain super well. Hopefully he can make it up and over this.
Yes,
awesome.
Up and over the snowboard trap with an air.
Awesome. That was great. This is a really solid line so far. Arcing some more turns into this gully. Now if he can line up a couple of big airs here at the bottom, I think he's going to have an incredible score.
This is going to be a really good run.
Nice.
Yeah,
handled
landing.
it. Man, that was a good air. Looks like he's lining up another one here for us. Nice. Oh, that's all right. Quick little butt check. That's still going to be a pretty high score, I would think. He's handling the variable snow conditions super well, keeping the speed up, arcing the turns. Look at the style, man. He looks like he's just having the most fun. Popping some ollies, keeping it up. Ew.
Yeah, I love watching all these snowboarders cruise at the bottom. It's like a movie.
Yeah, he's getting his surf style on right now. I love that style. Here's a quick little look.
This was the best part of the run, man. Up and over the snowboard trap, making it look like it's nothing. Everyone else is stuck. He's like, no way.
And stomping through that deep snow in the flat landing as well. That's not easy to do on a snowboard. This is a nice little air too. Stomp right away. Well executed.
Yeah, perfect stomp. And you can tell down here that if that first one was so deep, I would expect the next one to be, but that slid right there. So a little bit of a hard...